Hey everyone, I'm Praveen and welcome to AI Sparks, where artificial intelligence meets innovation and excitement. On this channel, we spark curiosity and ignite imagination with AI powered insights, tutorials, and explorations. From machine learning to robotics, we'll dive into the future today. Imagine asking an AI to plan your entire vacation. It books flights, reserves hotels, plans attractions. Everything looks perfect until one small mistake happens. Instead of fixing just that one mistake, the AI throws away the entire plan and starts all over again. Sounds inefficient? That's exactly the problem researchers wanted to solve. Today we'll explore Atomic Task Graph or ATG, a framework that teaches AI agents to think more like software engineers than storytellers. The paper, Atomic Task Graph, a unified framework for agentic planning and execution, was introduced by Yue Zhang, Sihan Chen, and their research team. Their question was simple: can we make AI agents solve problems like software dependency graphs instead of writing one long chain of thoughts? Their answer became ATG. Today's AI agents usually think step 1, step 2, step 3, one long conversation. If step 3 fails, everything afterwards becomes unreliable. Errors spread like falling dominoes. Even worse, the AI often forgets which parts were already correct, so it replans everything. ATG replaces the long reasoning chain with a directed acyclic graph. Instead of thinking in one straight line, the AI creates connected task nodes. Every node knows what it needs, what it produces, who depends on it. It's no longer just reasoning, it's structured engineering. Here's the magic: ATG doesn't create the final graph immediately. Instead, it starts with one huge task, then recursively breaks it into smaller tasks, then smaller, until every node becomes an atomic tool action. Exactly like zooming into Google Maps, each zoom reveals more detail without changing the overall destination. One brilliant idea: every refinement preserves its input and output, meaning the outside world doesn't notice the internal changes, just like replacing a car engine while keeping the same steering wheel. The system stays compatible even while becoming smarter. Before executing anything, ATG performs a thought experiment. It simulates the entire plan internally. It asks, did we miss a step? Is this tool correct? Will these dependencies work? Can this actually succeed? It's like rehearsing a movie before filming it. Since the dependencies are explicit, independent tasks don't wait, they execute simultaneously. Imagine 5 engineers working at the same time instead of passing work one by one. That's exactly what ATG enables: parallel intelligence. Now, suppose one node fails. Traditional AI starts over. ATG says only repair the broken branch. Everything else stays untouched. Like replacing one faulty circuit instead of rebuilding the whole computer. This dramatically saves computation and time. Researchers evaluated ATG on 3 major benchmarks: AlphaWorld, WebShop, ScienceWorld across Mistral 7B, Gemma 7B, and Llama 38B. ATG consistently achieved the highest scores, even outperforming GPT-4 using standard React in some benchmark settings. ATG also reduced execution steps, hallucinated actions, and unnecessary replanning. The graph isn't just for planning, it becomes the memory, the debugger, the scheduler, and the repair system, all in one framework. Atomic Task Graph shows something important. The next breakthrough in AI agents may not come from larger language models, it may come from better organization. Instead of making AI think harder, we teach AI to organize, parallelize, validate, and repair itself. That's the difference between an assistant and a truly autonomous intelligent system. And this might be one of the building blocks that powers the next generation of AI agents. If you found this helpful, hit like, subscribe, and comment which AI system you want to build next. Stay sparked. See you in the next video.